Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool little design. Makes it look like these bars are holding this white glob or square. Pretty easy to draw. Let's take a rectangle, hold down on the control button so it's perfect. Let's rotate it uh, 45 degrees. Let's make a duplicate of it and move the center of it to that point right there. So that's what we're going to kind of work with. Now, take a 2-point line, and you need to make sure you're on the nodes here. Go from node to node, node to node. And we can almost do anything right now, but we're going to go, I'm going to use a different color this time. I'm going to use that light blue. I'm going to fill that in and that in and that in. Then I'm going to take this one right here, and I'm going to get the interactive fill tool. And I'm going to swipe across and put black. You need to kind of make it look like it's coming up, straight up, so you can adjust this handle and see what the difference is. Kind of make it look straight up and maybe give it a little bit more. Now, they all four need to be the same. So what I'm going to do is delete that one, Control D and duplicate it, and mirror it sideways, and then grab that node right there and put it right there. We still need these boxes for a second. Now I'm going to take this one, and I'm actually going to, well, you know what I should have done? I should have went ahead and cut away this line. So I've got a solid cube using the same color. And this time I'm going to go, this is this part right here. I'm going to go dark to light, maybe. The dark color, which is that blue. I'm going to go a little bit light there. You know what? I'm going to go dark to see what it looks like. But I don't want too much. That looks pretty good. Now we need that line right now. So I'm going to Control G to group, Control D to duplicate. I'm going to double click on the rotation and put it right there on that node. And I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. Now, if we select it all and get away our line by right clicking, now we can fill this in with whatever color you want. Whoop. Smart fill. I think the white's going to be the best. I might even make a second video on how you could, you know what, I did these a little different. These are actually going white instead of dark. Tell you what, let's just do that real quick. You know what I'm going to have to do is Control G to group, and then hit P to put it in the center of the page, because I'm going to, you know what, I'm going to make it smaller. Holding down the Shift key so it'll grow inwardly. It's still P. Now I'm going to go up here and go up to Arrange, Group, and ungroup it. And I'm going to grab that right there. Group of some objects, so I need to go Arrange, Group, and ungroup it again, because I just want that. We'll get the interactive fill tool. Instead of going dark, we're going to go light. But that's, there we go. And I really think the other ones will be okay. The other, you know, I might have been better just to leave it like it was. Let's bring in this blue, make it a little bit bluer. Yeah, that'll work. Now, because we've got it ungrouped, we can delete all these because we're working in the center of the page. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, Alternate C, which is my hotkey for rotating in the center, and rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. Now we can take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to fill it in with blue at first, but then I'm going to take and make it white. Now let's see what it looks like when we put the black box effect on it. So it kind of makes it look like, you know, it's coming up out of there. It's not that, not as, I think this ended up being better. And you could always, if you wanted to select it all and right click an outline, but I don't know if that looks any better. Anyway, just give you some ideas, and thank you for watching.